back again with another video. Don't forget to subscribe, click the thumbs up, leave comments at the bottom. Today we celebrating Damon's birthday.
Yeah.
But we're going to Tucanos, and it's more like a Brazilian. Is it called Brazilian? It's like a Brazilian style restaurant where they bring your meats to you and you just eat like sides and things like that. You got to get the sides yourself. But for us, all of the meats, they normally bring those to you. So they probably hear the thing though. So that's basically where we going. After that, I think we're just gonna come. No, we're gonna go to Target. I gotta get some stuff from Target, but that's not a big deal. And then after that, I guess our day is over. The kids went to the family reunion. We didn't go. They down in Nashville. I wish Damon was a team player and she could have got some footage of that, but she's not a team player.
She's probably gonna send you some videos.
Please.
Tell her to record something.
I ain't finna, nope. Because the first thing she always say is, I ain't got no memory, or I don't have this, so no, I'm good. Okay, we made it. Damon's still parking the truck. Ready?
Yeah. You look good today, baby.
Thank you. Probably separate. Yeah. I was thinking it might be like on here.
Salad, fried bananas.
They good?
Huh?
Is it good?
You had these before.
I know, but they look kind of dark.
beef, sirloin wrapped in bacon.
No, thank you.
Teriyaki beef. Teriyaki beef.
Wrapped in bacon, right?
Well, sirloin's wrapped in bacon.
I don't want it. Excuse me.
The teriyaki beef, sirloin wrapped in bacon.
Chicken barbecue, chicken parmesan, guys. Chicken parmesan, please. 1, 2, 2.
One of them.
Thank you. That lemonade has more of a lime flavor.
The lime is.
I know. That piece on camera. Oh. No, thank you.
Any special items I can bring for you guys?
Do y'all have Parmesan beef?
Parmesan beef, yes. Anything else? Pineapple. Pineapple, yep.
All that time and I ain't even brought that over here.
Parmesan beef. Yep.
I just don't want that's it.
You want the last piece?
It is.
Try it out.
What do you think?
Stuff.
It's stuffed.
Stuff.
I didn't even position the camera back. It's always, Tucanos is always good, but sometimes the service is just kind of hit and miss. Sometimes you get a good waitress, but I guess that's at all restaurants, you think?
Yeah, I don't think she was a bad waitress. I just think she probably had
Yeah,
too
but
many
how many,
tables.
we was there for how long?
An hour and
We was there for a while. How many times do you think she came to our table?
3.
We was there for probably an hour and she only came to our table 3 times. And this is almost like buffet style. It's not a good waitress. But I left a tip anyway, even though, whew, I'm tired. Okay.
See the price of that gas over there?
It's 140. 245. Yep. Woo! Fat. Yeah, I just felt like she didn't come to our table enough. Not even to say, you know, do y'all need any refills? Even though they give you those little small little jug things, she still didn't come by to see if we were okay. Woo! Why am I so tired? Fat and full.
You ate too much. You overate. It was.
I'm a thick chick.
I was struggling.
Yeah, I just kind of felt like she should have came up to a little bit more. And then I felt like once the shift started switching over, the food quality kind of went down. So I'm thinking to come to this spot anytime between 3 and 4 is a bad time to come. It's best to, of course, you got to get there early before dinner starts because that place be packed. But if you get there early for lunch, you'll probably get a pretty good meal. But when that shift starts switching over, the quality goes down. Yeah. But also, y'all don't forget to subscribe, click the thumbs up, leave me some comments at the bottom. So
has been better. But like you said, we just probably came at a bad time.
Right. I still got a little makeup on today. Fuck. Just got this thing on my dress. Got a little makeup on today. Put a little skirt on.
You know you always look good.
I don't always feel good. Did you want to go over there today? See that stuff? Thank you, baby, for saying that. Even though most of the time I don't be feeling good. And then did you hear that dude talk about yes sir? What did he say? I think he called me a man. That's why I kind of laughed. When I said, what y'all got is
No, he was confused. I didn't hear him call you sir. I just think he was confused about what you was asking him.
I got the footage. We gonna see. I'm gonna play it back. Yeah. Motherfucker, I ain't no dude. Maybe because of the makeup. So that means that's saying that you gay. You laughing, but it's saying something.
Like I'm gay.
That do mean you gay.
Why you say that?
If he think I'm a man, so what that makes you?
A woman. A woman.
If he looking at me talking about sir, what?
Whoa. We ain't call you no sir.
I'm gonna look back at it.
Okay.
So he's saying.
Well, why you didn't address it?
I just kind of chuckle. I just kind of laugh.
That ain't no chuckling situation. If somebody call you,
I just kind of
Is that one of them what's the names? Dang! Stop and get that joke.
But yeah, I just kind of chuckle.
You want to get it?
No, I do not want to get it. You know you don't want to get it. If you had to pick the two people who's the criminal, it sure the hell wouldn't be you. Okay?
Some people,
you looking at that one and you should
I'm looking at them because they came from 2 lanes over trying to make this exit.
But anyway, you wouldn't be considered a criminal in a car. Right?
Why?
If they looked at both of our records, I guarantee you yours is way cleaner than mine. Don't forget to subscribe, click the thumbs up, leave comments at the bottom. We'll see y'all in the next one. Peace.